down I fall. I can't explain, so let's pretend that I'm content being your friend. If time is the ultimate healer, I'm afraid that you have no cure. Just distractions to keep me near and from running out the back door. I cannot forget the things you say back when our story was clean. Every time the feeling is the same. When your name shows on my cell screen. Just as I start to catch my